My puppy's crying because Grandma is at the farmer's market. Come here, Belly. Over here, honey. I can't. You can see her. Just look right inside. Come on, look right at Grandma. You see her? See her? There she is. She's buying tomatoes and things. Don't be upset. Oh, it's okay. You got attachment anxiety. I'm going to take you guys to the park. Do you care? Here, don't hurt my pocketbook. Come on. Grandma, puppies are waiting. Look, she's right there. She's just really. Where's the monkey? There's a video of a monkey. We're going to go to the park. Let her get her dang vegetables. You guys are bad. We need a trainer. I'm saying that for years. She'll bring you a treat. You want a treat? She'll bring you a little tomato. Don't jump. Okay, guys? Think we need a little training here? Little training? Okay. Now, Mommy has to go in now, too, okay? And I don't want you to freak out. Okay? Bye-bye.